Hold on to your hats, food lovers. We're about to embark on a delicious adventure. This is not your boring, bland diet talk. Nope, it's about rediscovering food. We're talking about vibrant, tasty, exciting, healthy eating. Healthy eating is often shrouded in misconception. People think it's all about restrictions and saying no to yummy things. That's just not true. Healthy eating is about saying yes to a world of flavor and fun. Get ready to ditch the dull and embrace the delicious. We're going to explore simple, creative ways to make healthy eating a part of your everyday life. Think of it as a food adventure and everyone's invited. Let's bust a myth right now. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. In fact, it can be an exciting adventure for your taste buds. Who said healthy food can't be fun? Imagine a picnic where every bite is a burst of flavor and every dish is a delight. Remember that time you thought broccoli was just a tiny tree? It seemed so unappealing back then, right? And then, bam! You tried it roasted with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and your world changed. Suddenly that tiny tree became a gourmet delight. Healthy eating is all about trying new things and finding what you love. It's a journey of discovery, where each new food can be a pleasant surprise. There's a rainbow of fruits and vegetables out there just waiting to be discovered. Each color brings its own set of nutrients and flavors. Each one has a unique flavor and texture, ready to jazz up your plate. From the crunch of a fresh carrot to the sweetness of a ripe mango, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match different ingredients, add some spices, and create your own culinary masterpiece. Swap that bag of chips for a handful of crunchy carrots and hummus. It's a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in how you feel. Ditch the sugary soda for a refreshing, fruit-infused water. It's hydrating, delicious, and so much better for you. Small changes can make a big difference, and the best part is they can be super delicious. So, ditch the myth, grab the sprouts, and start your journey to a healthier, happier you today. Healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be one of the most enjoyable parts of your day. It's about getting creative in the kitchen and having fun with your food. Imagine turning your meal prep into a delightful family activity. How about, build your own salad bar with all your favorite toppings? You can set up a variety of fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, and dressings, or a colorful fruit skewer party for a healthy and refreshing snack. It's a fun way to get everyone involved and excited about eating fruits. One of my favorite things to do is get the kids involved in the kitchen. They can learn valuable skills and develop a love for healthy eating. Let them help wash the vegetables, mix the salad, or even create their own funny-faced pizzas with healthy toppings. This not only makes them feel included, but also teaches them about nutrition. When kids are part of the process, they're more likely to try new things and enjoy what they're eating. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Another fun idea is to have a healthy potluck with friends or family. This way, everyone can contribute and share their favorite healthy recipes. Everyone brings their favorite healthy dish, and you get to try a variety of delicious and nutritious meals. It's like a mini food festival right in your backyard. It's a great way to share ideas, get inspired, and enjoy good food with good company. Plus, it strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. So, are you ready to join the healthy eating party? It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle that brings people together. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about celebration. Celebrate fresh, wholesome ingredients that nourish your body and soul. Celebrate the joy of cooking and sharing a delicious meal with loved ones. There's something magical about creating a meal from scratch and enjoying it with the people you care about. Celebrate feeling your best and having the energy to live life to the fullest. When you fuel your body with the right foods, you can take on any adventure that comes your way. I challenge you to try one new healthy recipe this week. Experiment with new ingredients and flavors. You might discover a new favorite dish. Share your culinary masterpieces with friends and family. There's no better way to bond than over a meal that everyone can enjoy and feel good about. Let's spread the love for healthy eating and show the world that healthy can be fun, delicious, and oh so exciting. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience and the memories you create. What are your favorite healthy snacks? Is it a crunchy carrot stick, a juicy apple, or maybe a handful of nuts? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's build a community where we can learn from each other and grow together. Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives, one delicious bite at a time. Together, we can make healthy eating a joyful and sustainable part of our everyday lives.